Alright, what's going on everyone? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I'm doing is I'm going to be exposing a little bit of some stuff about this revenge storm industry. It's gotten a little sketchy, and you guys have even probably noticed yourselves, like, they've been getting awfully cheap, and I dug into this a little bit, and I want to give a little shout out to also D-Souls. Shout out him, he helped me dig in on this a little bit, but it also just helped me kind of like get this idea to actually make a video on this discussing it, so shout out him. You can go check them out below, I guess, if y'all want to. But yeah, we're really gonna get into this video. I need to discuss this, and you know, it's an interesting topic. I really was more interested in discussing it, but I had no knowledge of how like flooded this industry was with like unauthorized pairs. So I'm gonna get into discussing how this has happened, really the whole situation. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to go ahead and subscribe below, and also drop a like in this video. I'd appreciate that. It's trying to hit 100 likes. That'd be dope. And yeah, you know, that's pretty much all I gotta say. I don't know what's flying above my head right now. Loud as anything. I always have so much background noise, bro. It's so annoying. But yeah, you know, this issue's pretty deep. So we're gonna get into discussing this. I really don't want to say too much more. So go check out my IGs down below if y'all want to. And let's get into discussing this sketch industry. Now again, I think this whole issue is super deep. I'm not exactly sure how deep it's been or how long it's been going on for, but I predict that this issue has been going on for probably around since like September, October of last year, 2019, because that's when StockX actually stopped authenticating pairs of revenge storms, because they literally couldn't, because they couldn't tell the difference between these one-of-one pairs that were being bought off this offshore website. And that's where these like plugs have been coming in. Like, there's been a lot of people that call themselves revenge storms plugs, and not knowing, like, some of them are probably getting these pairs from other people. Like, they're the plug, and they don't know that they've been getting fake pairs the whole time. But the original plug knows that they've been selling fake pairs the whole time, because they've been buying them off this offshore website that's been making one-of-one replicas, and it's basically been getting flipped to these people for way more than they are. And I mean, who knows? Like, you can't tell a real versus fake pair anymore. There's so many fakes, and the market is completely dead. I'll show some proof that the market's dead that actually kind of proves that fakes have gotten in. So StockX stopped authenticating them. I think it was September 13th, 2019. They stopped like allowing any sales of them. You see they're going for around like 180, 190. But now if you go on GOAT for the exact same pair of sneakers, they're literally 150 used, way under the retail. Should have been sus that they're under the retail in the first place. Like, for them, when they were super limited and like exclusives, like, it just makes this whole thing sus. And now I can see they're going for like 150, like 120 used, like literally no money. And people are, I mean, sadly still making money on this because they've been buying off the offshore website knowing they're scamming, and that's wrong. And I don't have any names of anybody that's been doing it, but I'm pretty sure this has been an issue going on that some people know about. And some people do still have legit plugs, which is, I mean, good that there's still some people getting real pairs, but majority of these pairs out here on the whole market are FUBU. No, not real. And this is crazy. Like, it's even mind-blowing to me, because I was even like supporting this industry low-key. Like, I had videos like where I was supporting like revenge storm unboxings and all that, and like, who knows? Like, who knows? And it's crazy. So I definitely got to give like a 28K giveaway as a, like, I'm sorry. I mean, even though I didn't know, I'm just like you all in this situation. I was mindless. I had no clue that fakes are being flipped in this market from some offshore website, which if you guys can go find out the website in the comments. I'm not going to drop it because I don't want to encourage people to go to this website and basically do what I explained in this video. It's wrong. Like, you should know it's morally wrong if you have any morals. Like, if you're a good human, you would know like that's kind of effed up to like be ripping people out of their money, like selling fakes like that to people. Like, it's not right. So if you figure out the name of the website in the comments, I know it, but I'm not going to tell anybody because I don't encourage it. Like, if you're doing that, I'll be able to tell like nobody's selling pairs for like 80 bucks, like 50, 70 bucks. Like, nobody's doing that because they're fake. Nobody gets pairs for production costs. Do you realize that? This whole situation is it's terrible. I mean, fakes are a real issue still in sneakers, and this proves it. So you see a plug with like pairs, chances are they're one-of-one replicas. Chances they are. I mean, this is really, I hope this video encourages people to legit check their sneakers more, because sneakers are getting so good. Like, the fakes are getting so good. It's almost like they're produced in the exact same factory. And I mean, these ones literally are. Like, that's how these fakes are being produced. Same factory, same material, same everything. That's how these one-of-ones were made. So, I mean, it's crazy. It's absurd. Only way you're gonna know if your pair is real if you go check that with Ian Connor, you know what I mean? I mean, you get a really legit plug. Like, they're gonna have to prove themselves. But I mean, shoot. This is crazy. Like, this issue's deeper than we know. Like, there could be some people that fully knew about this, and like, terrible. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, I feel bad for even ever like being like, oh yeah, you know, revenge storms are cool, but like probably UAs, like, terrible. So yeah, definitely to make up for like ever supporting revenge storms, I'm definitely gonna be generous and give away something for 28K. It's gonna be something good, so don't sleep, stay tuned. I definitely am gonna do that. So I mean, it's crazy. Like, what the heck? So yeah, I guess to close it out, my prediction is that you should be safe out here with buying revenge storms. Just, you gotta watch out. Like, I just found out about this yesterday. Like, you all gotta watch out. I'm trying to get y'all aware with this video. So just please be careful when you buy your revenge storms. It's very important, and it's also impossible, almost impossible to legit check these. So don't be buying pairs off these offshores. And if I catch any of you doing like what I said in this video that I said don't do, if any of you are doing it after I said don't do it, bro, I'm so serious. Like, don't be ripping people like that. That's not funny. But yeah, 28K giveaway coming soon. I predict the market will be dead in 2-3 months. Like, this is gonna kill the market. The market is pretty much dead. It's like, you can even tell the hype isn't as much as it was. So, I mean, shout out Storm when it was cool and wasn't flooded with fakes, but now fakes everywhere, man. Can't trust it. So yeah, I mean, if y'all want to talk about this in the comments, feel free. Any questions, I'm down. I'm down to discuss about this in the comments. Like, this is a crazy situation, and this video may get somewhere. Like, maybe it'll be like, hey, authenticate your shoes. It's important. It's very important. So yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say for this video. If y'all want to, go check my Instagrams down below. Give me a follow there, and also subscribe and like for more content like this. I mean, if I find out more info about the sneaker industry like this, I would definitely be willing to share. And let me know what y'all think about this in the comments. I'd love to hear it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm Tristan, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.